Hey, what's up everyone? For this video I'll be showing you a screaming type sound that I heard and recorded a while back. I just now got around to making a video about it. Both my mama and I heard this sound, and I was recording with my tablet. The dogs were having a fit about it, and you'll probably hear they settled down and Red started barking, and you'll hear the dog bark a little bit. But this sound, I've heard barn owls, I've heard screech owls, I've heard many types of animals, but what we've witnessed around here and what I've witnessed personally is beyond that. And I'll just state that it's beyond that, believe me. But this recording did not really do it justice because it was a lot louder and a lot clearer than that. So many people around our area, and there have been some BFRO, some researchers, some people that have talked on the local topics and things, and they said that based on what I stated, they told me I sounded like an expert, but I've dealt with enough that I should be by now. But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and let you hear this. I'll let you hear the audio recording, and I'll put a timestamp where it's at in the actual title. So here's the sound. That's the dog. So listen closely for the scream. Here it comes, the screech. And we have heard a lot louder sounds than this, but so let me know your thoughts. I'll post just the sound of the audio in my next video, so give me your thoughts on what you think this is. There are many other sounds I've captured. I wish I could find them all, but I just happened to find this one. So I think it was recorded on, I can't find the date, but it was recorded back in October. It wouldn't let me, all it did when I went to the details was it just showed me the date that I modified it, the date that I modified and moved the recording this morning. So anyway, much love and peace. Give your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Bye.